So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 8mm crochet hook. For all the details of the pattern, you'll find the link in the description box. We'll start right away once I get the beginning of the yarn. I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I will chain 33. So this is my chain. You can make it longer or you can make it shorter, up to you, but long enough to make it look later on as you work the rows like a rectangle. So now on the fourth chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in every chain till the end of the chain. Okay, these are my last two. In the last chain I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. This is the shaping point, and then I'm gonna chain 2 again, and in the same chain 2 double crochet. So now I have the lower side of the chain. I'm gonna make, after this, 1 double crochet in every chain. So 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And this is the last chain, so I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the same chain, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and join to the initial chain 3, which will be considered as another double crochet, like so. So now whatever number of rows we're gonna do is gonna be repetitive. It's just these corners. I'm gonna always make in every corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in each of these 2 corners, and in each of these 2 corners. Everything else is 1 double crochet each. So now chain 2, double crochet in every stitch. Okay, so this is the first corner. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the first corner. In the next stitch over here, 1 double crochet, and in the next corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and continue with 1 double crochet in every stitch. So this is how it looks so far. It will keep expanding with every row. So I'll finish the number of rows of the blanket, and then I'll come back to show you the final result and explain further for the pattern. So this is the final look of the solid granny rectangle blanket, and these are the colors I have used for the actual pattern. It's dark gray or charcoal, purple and orange. So I have done 3 rows of gray initially, then followed by 2 rows of purple, then 2 rows of orange, 9 rows of gray, 5 of purple and 7 of gray. So all these details, you will find them in the written pattern linked in the description box, also the measurement, the type of yarn and everything else. And this is how it looks. You can make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. You can use a smaller hook or the same hook as I used, it's up to you, but for me it's easier, it builds faster, and it's much lighter than when you use a smaller hook, and it looks nice as well. So this is the end result. I hope you like it and you'll try to make it. It's very quick to make. Less than a week you can finish this blanket, and that's it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.